businesses are using AR to solve real-world business problems. Michael is a field technician who regularly visits clients, maintains equipment, and troubleshoots issues. He is dealing with complex equipment from various vendors. In the past, Michael pored through thick manuals to learn about new models or to review procedures while in the field. Now, AR 360 Augmented Reality app, Michael can easily access all of this information on his mobile, tablet, or smart glass while he is in the field. Not only does he have access to digitized versions of all materials, but he can rely on contextual step-by-step guidance. His real-world view of the equipment is augmented with visual information that helps him understand the equipment. Michael can quickly access procedures for setup, operation, maintenance, or troubleshooting, and this information is presented specifically for the equipment in front of him. Technicians can quickly and accurately resolve problems or prevent them entirely. Consider the challenges facing Ryan, a service engineer. Ryan often replaces parts on machine models that are new to him. AR 360 app allows him to visualize an entire assembly and disassembly of a device using an interactive 3D model. This is helpful during training as well as in the field when the technician has to recall and confirm the procedure. The result is reduced training time, a lower overall cost, and less errors in the field. Operational users of the equipment like Ryan can also use the app to raise service request tickets or replacement part orders. Ryan can even communicate through a shared live video feed with a remote expert. This is leveraging back-office experts across an entire field service workforce, making their expertise available without the need to travel. Even before a technician like Michael and Ryan goes into the field, solution can help with the training and preparation. Training materials, videos, and 3D animations for new equipment and new procedures become available through the app and can be consumed anywhere at any time. This is more flexible and inexpensive than traditional classroom-style training. The app also provides an Explore mode, where a 3D model of the device is shown and where different parts can be explored. Using a mobile AR app, training can be delivered online and consumed anywhere, anytime. Rich media content such as slides, videos, and other materials can be made available to students, as well as self-tests to aid the learning process. It also helps the entire enterprise to optimize its service. For example, through analytics collected within the app, enterprises can gain insights into the reliability and support work generated by various types of equipment.